Hey everyone, for today's video I decided to do a character from a manga. It was suggested to me by a friend, so I don't really know the manga, but I thought the character looked really nice and the project itself is not too hard. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will link the template in the description under the video. I just want to point out that on some of the flaps there is red dots, and that means you shouldn't put any glue there. It's kind of important later on in the assembly, so just make sure you don't put any glue there, because I actually made the mistake and I had to redo certain parts. For this part I used the straw, but you can use number 21 and 20 on the template. I feel like it's easier to do it with a straw, but then the downside is that the glue needs quite a bit to dry because it's plastic on paper. Whereas if you use the 21 and 20 on the template, it would probably glue much quicker and easier. So just use which one you're more comfortable with. part where I mentioned before that you shouldn't glue the flaps with the red dots because you have to insert the little flappy bits, and it's what makes the model move, so you can separately move the legs, the arms, and the head. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I really had fun making this, and I think it came out really nice. I like that the joints are super posable, and he just looks adorable. So I hope you guys give it a try, and I will see you in the next video.